To render, click on image or videos. There you can see different modes of renders. Choose the mode you want. You can select the resolutions also. And on the right side, you can see the most angle where you can have default scenes. Choose if you want. Here you have different types of aspect ratios. Here you can save the angle also. Here you have 3 types of ambient lights we can choose. Whatever you want, you can change the brightness also. And click on generate to render. On the right side, you can see different types of angles. You can choose that. If you want to change environment, you can choose it from environment. It can change the environment view by rotating and generate. Coming to 360-degree walkthrough. Place the camera in the middle of the room so that every corner will cover. You can change the environment and choose the resolution you want and render. Coming to top view, we can use it for rendering ceiling designs. You can change the backgrounds also. Set the camera view and generate. Coming to video, here you can edit your camera path. Here you can see 3 types of lens. Straight lens, place wherever you want and it shows like this. Curved lens. Take curved lens and place the direction. You can change the speed of the lens also. Click on preview all to see the view. Once completed, click on done. You have some default video templates for one room and whole house. You can use that also. In gallery you can see the rendering images and videos. These are the renders in daytime, nighttime,